Hello everyone, welcome to my messy craft place. Well, I will clean it up for you and then I show you the two journals I made yesterday and today. The last few days I did enjoy myself making tea dyed papers and these journals. I bought some old books in the thrift store and I used the original covers, hard covers, and well, I made two, and I would like to show them to you. Like you see, it's two sizes, a big one and a small one. I'll start with the big one. Well, that's well, I do it in inches and centimeters. It's 6 inches, 15 centimeters, and width and height is well, 22 centimeters and 8. Well, I don't know how you, it's a quarter, 3/4, I don't know, but I hope you can see it. 8 something. What I did with this journal is the cover. It's the original cover, and I decorated it with some lace and fabric, and I put a little fabric and paper a label on it, where you can, where I can or you can, or because I made the books for my Etsy shop, so you can buy them and you get stickers with it, so you can glue the stickers on it. And the stickers are, I just got out one, but journal, travel journal, daybook, notes, diary, memories, dreams and story in 4 different fonts. This is a diary. This is a journal or a book, not with dyed papers, but with all kinds of craft papers. It's 144 pages. There are 6 signatures. 6 signatures, one with 6 flat pages. So one signature has 24 pages. Well, and there are 6 of them, so that's 144, I think, yes. Well, what I did is the inside of the cover I did with my own handmade marble paper, homemade marble paper, the front and the back also. Well, and what I did is, well, I do a flip through. The first page I made a pocket, vellum, and a sticker and a tag in it. And well, I decorated here and there with a flower and some other stuff, some embellishments and some stickers, and well, it's free to more pockets with little tags. and another one. That's a piece of masking tape, this stuff, yeah, which I did some foil on it. This was the sticky side, and I well, the foil didn't get everywhere, and this was sticky, but I did it with, I covered it with baby powder. It still smells like baby powder. No, a little bit. And well, you get that with another tag, some handmade flowers, flip over, flip out, or whatever, some stickers. These cards I made myself. You can write on it, you can, well, it's empty of course, with a few embellishments, little envelope and a tag, empty tag, flowers, homemade embellishments, butterfly, well, the whole book is like so. I enjoyed myself very much making it. And another card, jelly printed card. Another card. So stickers, round stickers, rub-on, little sticker, made it myself with washi tape, other stickers, another pocket with 2 tags in it, that's a sticker too, and this is the last signature, another card, a homemade flower, sticker, and another tag in a little envelope. Well, and that's it. And I did some eyelets in the cover, and so you can close it like so. Well, that's number 1. And number 2, and like I said, you when you would like to buy this, you get it with stickers, so you can put the sticker there, or you can write your name on it, or what you like. And this is number 2, also from an old book. It's the original cover, and this book is 4.5, 12 centimeter, 4.5 inches, and almost 12 centimeters, and the width, and this is 7 inches and the height, 18, almost 18 centimeters. I put some book corners on it, some lace to cover the title, and a little cork label, and here too a little cork label where you can glue a sticker on or whatever. It's a bit distressed. It's an old cover, so it's not well, how do you call that? Well, you see it. It has user spots. I don't know how you call that. This book is made with dyed papers and vintage papers, old papers, and a little lace. Also, you get, when you want to buy this one, you also get the stickers with it, along with it. Well, this is again with homemade marbled paper, which I made myself. I made a little band here, and from scraps I made a little notebook that goes along with the journal. Well, this is mostly blank pages with some decorations, and also 144 pages. Again, 6 signatures with 6 flat pages, so that makes 24 pages. Oh yes, and the hat and tail band I made myself. In the other book it's the same hat and tail band. I'll show you. Yeah. And the tail band, well, you hardly can't see it, but it's there. How I do that, I make another video about that, how I make my homemade, my own hat and tail band in the books. So, I just flip through very quickly so you have an idea what's in it. Some pockets with empty or blanco tags, and lots of room to write or draw or journaling or put photos in it. This is music paper. Some stamps in it. Another pocket with a blanco tag. And another one. Well, this is not a tag, this is a sticker. You can glue it on like so, but I think you can, well, decide where you want it. Well, like I said, it's 144 pages, so it's a bit dull. This is not a blanco, this is a tag where you can write on the back. And another tag. Well, and the last signature is almost the same like the previous ones. And that's it. That's the book. That's the back, a little stain here. Corners, a cork label where you can glue another label on. It's a bit distressed. It's old, so and here you can put a sticker on. So that's it. So these are the two books. I put them in my Etsy store, and this is a piece of head tail band, and I'll show you in another video how I made that. Thank you for watching. Bye!